Well, hey everybody, just out here getting ready to shear the sheep. Never done it before. That's not entirely true, I guess. I have sheared sheep with an electric clippers, but I bought myself some hand shears, like the old-fashioned kind. And so today, that's what we're gonna be doing. It's kind of cloudy, a little cold, a little rainy. Hey Peyton.
What?
You know what my nickname should be?
What?
Ed.
Why?
Ed Shearing. It's hard, man. Someone nicked their shearing before. This is different. Yeah. Should I knew the proper way to do this. Thanks, Baba, for letting me figure this out on you. So I've never used hand shears before. I'm sure you can tell. I'm sure someone's watching and thinking I'm doing this all wrong. I've never used hand shears before.
Baby. All of that was like fur. Like half of her body was fur.
This way, Lucas, this way, this way, this way. Nice and slow, nice and slow.